Hey guys, welcome back. I'm your DC Connor and hope you're doing well in this Corona times and everything. I'm very excited today because I got a new watch and I'm not gonna dwell too much into it, but I just wanna see. I'm really excited. I was first thinking, no, not gonna get anything, not gonna get this one, doesn't do anything for me, but the truth is, it has always been a grail for me and one of the grails. I was trying to decide between this watch and a Submariner, and clearly I got a Submariner first because I like it more, but this one is nevertheless here, and I think it's gonna be here to stay, and I'm done with watches. No more watches. Famous last words, yeah. Haha. Anyways, I hope you're doing great in this Corona uh, situations. I'm doing great. I'm in isolation with my wife. We're in an apartment. We have a large balcony. Sometimes I take a walk, but I'm trying not to because of the situation and everything. So I hope you are staying safe. And without further ado, I think it's kind of silly, but there was a great opportunity, and I got it. I got it because um, got it from my bearded buddy, my bearded friend. And this watch, I made a couple of videos on my channel featuring this watch, but now it's mine. And he started with a small business just before the corona, and he needed to free up some funds. And I like to think that I helped him uh, stay afloat, and also I got a good watch. So don't get me wrong, he cut me a great deal on this one, and probably the best deal on the internet, on the planet. And I got I got this one. Check this out, guys. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Man qualified for space missions. So this is the watch. Uh, it's been on my radar as a next watch. You know, I sold the IWC as a chronograph because I wanted this, and now I have it. So yeah, this is the moon watch. What I did first, I had to disinfect it, clean up everything. I got a bracelet as well, but my I had to include the I had to include the band here. So I'm not gonna get without the band. It's not mine, but I don't care. Now I have it. So yeah, uh, just wanted to share the happy news. I never thought I'm gonna be this happy getting a moon watch, but finally, this is my first moon watch, and I'm very happy. Let me just give you a quick wristwatch check. I'm gonna play with some bands, and it's gonna make this Corona isolation thing do better for me, and I think I did all right. What do you guys think? Did a If you want to see more detail this watch, of course I'm gonna make some more photos for you. But if you're gonna see more details on this watch, I have a video when I first saw it. This is my first Omega, and this is the first Omega I saw in person, the Moon watch, and now it's mine. I didn't think it will happen, but sometimes I think Corona uh, works for the best. So keep an eye on the deal, but don't buy all sorts of watches. Buy some cool watches like I did. And look at me always trying to give advice. Like you need advice, you know watches more than I do. But yeah, I think it looks very handsome on my wrist, and very happy today, and just wanted to share the good news with you guys. And again, I'm gonna link you some of the videos I featured this. I compared this one to the Omega Reduced, and clearly I said the Moon Watch is the one to get. This is the Hazelite Crystal Moon Watch. Uh, Closed case back, 861. It has a little smudge on the second hand from the watchmaker. It's been serviced, but the watchmaker, uh, it it's bit not perfect, but it's okay. I'm happy. That's how I know this is the mine between the last sea of moon watches. Now I know this is the mine, and I can recognize it instantly. You know the thing, you own the watch, and there's on that little dot and spot, and that's how you know it's yours. Well, on every single one of my watches, I can recognize them. You put 10 watches, same places, and I know this one is mine, and this one is mine. Very happy compare EDC Gunner today. I don't know what to say. I have a Moonwatch so much more happier than when I got the IWC, and I think I'm sorry for that IWC, but I had to let it go. And this one, I just waited for the right deal to happen, and it did. And I got a good watch. I like to think I helped out the mate. And all in all, do tell me, what do you think, guys? Have I done right? Uh, I bought it way cheaper than anywhere else on the web. So I think I did all right there in that department. But is this the right watch for me? I know I've been telling, don't get all the cool watches, whatnot, don't get all the watches that everyone else has. But I think the Moon Watch is an icon, and along with Submariner, I have the two most uh, biggest icons in the watch world. And when I first learned about watches, I pictured in my head a three-piece collection: Moonwatch, Submariner, and Calatrava. So I do not have a Calatrava. I'm not saying I'm not gonna have it. You never know. I'm gonna definitely try to have it, to put it on my grail list. But I have a nice substitutions like Datejust. So I have a Datejust, this, and Submariner. And overall, just wanted to share with you, what do you guys think? Do do tell me, did I did all right? I think I did. So thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, and see you on the next one.